Meaning of implicature.
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 Implicature. Implicature refers to a communication phenomenon in which a speaker conveys a meaning beyond the literal interpretation of their words without explicitly stating it. It is a type of indirect communication that requires the listener to infer the intended meaning based on context and shared knowledge. For example, when someone asks, "Do you have any plans for tonight?" and the other person responds, "I have a lot of work to do," the implicature is that they will not be available to hang out. Implicatures can be conveyed through various linguistic and non-linguistic cues, such as tone of voice, facial expressions, and body language. Understanding implicatures is crucial for effective communication and social interaction.